You made the point of pointing the damn dog.
No. Don't talk about my dog.
Okay. Back.
Of course it would go off right when it got right up.
Seriously, you all may want to. Because I don't know what exactly the bottle rocket's going to do.
Oh.
It's like, what? Oh my gosh. Take them apart.
Madison, do me a favor, back around this way. I just don't want anybody getting too close to that edge.
That's what you thought that was.
So fine.
What was that?
Yeah, this is why I'm afraid we're going to hear the propane.
Just scare everybody.
Are we still burning over there?
It's inside the house.
Inside the house now?
We got the whole right side.
Is that it?
No.
The back part's kind of gone.
How many are in there?
It's blue line.
There's one more up there. Let's see what it does.
Oh, there is?
There's another
No,
fire.
no, I'll put something else.
Oh God, so we did.
No. Should be.
I had a plug in the pile.
Like C4 bird.
It looks like we're still going.
It looks like it's smoke coming out, so I think so.
Maybe if you could push the roof off the side a little bit, get some oxygen in there.
It's so quiet. Wait.
You don't want to fly well.
Don't blow up.
No, wait.
I'm trying to first. Good night.
Are we still going?
I do not want to film my teacher getting blew up in the face with a firecracker.
That would be kind of funny, wouldn't it?
Funny!
It would be, come on.
We wouldn't have a teacher.
Okay, if we did get hurt, I was okay, we'd all laugh, wouldn't we?
It would be okay,
You would be okay.
but then we wouldn't have a teacher.
That outside shot has to be blowing it up. What y'all got to do? You all scared.
Now, how long have we been going for now?
Like 2. Yeah.
Well, there's no more boom.
Okay.
All through the roof.
Yeah, if y'all want to get a little bit closer.
What's it about flushing?
Roman candle.
We always just come in.
I would like something like ridiculous. Like, no, I'll get some gunpowder and put it in there.
That should have been the point of words. You bring a Roman candle.
Outside like cannonball. I'll fire my nuclear strike.
Alright, let me know when you want me to put it out.
Oh, no, burn now.
I guess.
What was the point of the dog?
The dog was barking. The dog is still alive.
He fell over. He got knocked out, so he died. Carbon monoxide.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just about to say
Let him
something.
cool. Alright, now